Hey guys, it's Jordan with National Speed, and this video is pretty bite-sized but does cover some interesting data. Now, while the factory exhaust system from the 2018 or newer Mustang GT sounds great and performs well with bolt-ons, it does inhibit performance a bit. This is mostly due to the tapered sections at the resonator inlet and outlet. And frankly, we got on a bit of a comparison kick with our test 2021 Mustang GT and decided to see which performs better, long tube headers with stock exhaust connected or wide open header. So let's get to it. First, this car is equipped with our Stage 2 naturally aspirated package, which includes a JLT performance air intake system, stainless power long tube headers, and a custom calibration by HP tuners. This car also has our optional flex fuel calibration and is currently running full E85. And with that, let's see where our baseline is. Alright, baseline with stock exhaust system in place comes in at around 492 wheel horsepower and 443 pound-feet of torque. Pretty solid. Now back to the shop to go open header. And back to the dyno. Now mind you, dynamic advance was disabled in the calibration for both of these runs, with the same engine coolant temperature, and these pulls are only 20 minutes apart. Oh, and if you're a headphone user, consider this your warning. America! And with that Gen 3 Coyote breathing wide open, we had to pick up some power, right? Nope. Peak loss of around 6 wheel horsepower, with around 12 wheel horsepower and 9 pound-feet lost at 7,000 RPM, and 9 wheel horsepower and 7 pound-feet of torque lost at 4,000 RPM. So there you have it, the Mustang GT stock exhaust system is better for your performance in open header. Now, that's not to say these cars don't benefit from an upgraded dual 3-inch exhaust system, quite the contrary. But if you're hitting the strip and are thinking about dropping your exhaust system to pick up some power, don't waste your time. And if you'd like to know why open header lost power here, let us know in the comments. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay tuned for more. And as always, if you have any questions at all, we're happy to chat. Thanks for watching.